and welcome back to my channel. I'm ShennaLagail and I'm here to bring you another video. Okay, so today in the mail, I got the infamous Ethika. So I ordered this, today is January the 8th. I ordered these pieces at least a week before Christmas, so the shipment took a while to come. It might have been even 2 weeks before Christmas. But it's here today. They had a sale. I don't know if it's still going on or not. They had a sale. It's a if they choose what pieces or what design you get, it was cheaper than if you choose. So I let them choose, and I really just wanted to try it out to see how it fits. Like I hear about it all the time. It's really cute. I think some of the sets was like some of the pieces was like $6 and some of it was like 12. So I'm just here to show you what I've got in the mail. So it's called a bralette. The design is happy leaf. Let's see how it looks. Let's see. It comes with this little sticker, and I guess it's like a card. Follow us on Instagram for your chance to win free Ethika. With that, and enjoy a 50% off plus free shipping. So I don't know, if it fit good, I might buy me some more or buy boo things. So, but anyways, this is that bralette here. I mean, I wouldn't have picked this design or whatever. But, I mean, I guess it's okay. It's underwear, or I'm just going to sleep in this stuff anyway. So, that's the bralette. I also got some leggings. I got the leggings in a large. They're bralette in an extra large. But I got these leggings in a large. I really don't know how they fit, how they stretch. They don't have no stretch. And it comes with the same thing in there. I think it come with the Instagram card, but it didn't come with the 50% off in this little bag. But so these are the leggings. They look big enough. I might try these on this video. I don't know. These are the leggings that they sent to me. The design is okay. It look like it's okay. I don't know. It might look cute on. We'll see. That design is called Coloring Book Leggings. And I got 2 pair of boy shorts. They call shorties. And they ended up sending me the same design. Like, if you gonna pick some, give me different. But I got 2 pair of boy shorts. And it's called Floral Jungle. See how these look. And then this is how it look. I got these in a size large. So basically they black and they got the flowers on the bottom. I see how those fit, but they gave me the exact same pair. I don't like that. The exact same 2 pair of the boy shorts. I want to say, y'all, I look back on my order, but some of this stuff was like $6. And I went to the mall the other day, and the underwear was running like 25 and up. So yeah, we'll see how those fit. And I got, what's this? Some thong up this package. Open up a pair in the quarter. Is it this? Yeah. This is called Double Up Thong. I got them in the large, y'all. Don't talk about how big they are. I got a lot to fit around. But yeah, these are cute though. And then I got another pair of thongs. They call Oral Game. Let's see how these look. I like these. The gold and black thongs. So yeah, I don't know, y'all. what do y'all think about Ethika? Do y'all wear Ethika, or is it just like a trend? I seen a few videos of people putting on the Ethika. The sale may be still going on. Like I said, they had a really good sale on this stuff, and I was kind of scared. I wanted to order a lot more, but like I didn't know how it fit. And you know, when you curvy, I mean, I don't want to get nothing that's too tight. It's not gonna be comfortable. Like I said, I'm gonna probably be sleeping in this stuff. So I don't know. I'm gonna for sure try on the leggings and see how those fit. I'll see how it all fit, but I'm trying the leggings just to see the stretching those, and then I'll show you. See, they actually fit really good. They are, like I said, they are in the size large. Um, they stretch really well. Stretchy. So I got plenty of room, but they're not big and baggy. You probably can see I did put the bralette on too, but I ain't showing all that. And it fits okay. I mean, okay to sleep in. You know, like hold up really well, but hey, it's okay to sleep in. But these leggings, they fit really well. Like I will probably use that 50% off card that they gave me and order some more, especially if they still on sale. But yeah, I don't know if you can see it in the mirror or but they fit good. Fit good. So okay, Ethika. Pretty well. Okay, y'all, and I went ahead and tried on the boy shorts for you all so y'all can see. With the boy shorts, I like them, especially like I said, to lounge around the house. I usually like my shorts a little bit longer, but they fit really well. They're not too big in the waist. And you see, got the Ethika going around the waistband. It's kind of cut low at the back, but yeah, they fit. They fit good and comfortable. Very comfortable. So yeah, and they, like I said, only thing I don't like is they send me 2 pair of the same print. If you don't pick it for me, give me different kinds, you know. Cause I mean these two are the same, but the bralette don't match none of them. So yeah, maybe next time since I have that 50% off, I'll pick my own design. Cause I sure hate to order more and then I end up with the same thing I already got. But yeah, Ethika is a very comfortable. Um, so if you're looking for some lounge wear or you know something just to wear around the house in, I didn't even see if they had like shirts. I guess it's more of the sporty wear or whatever. But the leggings fit really well. The boy shorts fit pretty well. I'm pretty sure the thongs will too. But just wanted to show y'all what I got in the mail. If I ordered some, I better order it now. Like I said, the shipment took a little while to get here or whatever. But I mean, it's worth it. I wasn't really rushing it. But yeah, if you wear Ethika, comment down below. If you like these, you know, comment and tell me what designs you like, where you get your Ethika from. And if you like videos like this, let me know. I will be back with more videos to come. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.